Next box is 2011 Panini Gridiron gear. Again, 4 hits. Going to be 2 autos, 2 jerseys again. And hopefully get the pull-out auto. 18 packs. 2011 Gridiron gear. Alright. Pack number 1. Looks like we just have 1 rookie in this pack. For the Ravens, Tyrod Taylor, not numbered. Tyrod Taylor rookie, not numbered. Pack number 2 feels a little thicker than the last one. Might be a jersey or a patch in this one. We'll see. Or a thick decoy. Yep. Again, just the 1 rookie of Kelvin Shepherd for the Bills. Kelvin Shepherd rookie for the Bills. Pack number 3. This don't want to open. Have another rookie. This one's for the Bucks of Daquan Bowers. Daquan Bowers, rookie for the Bucks. Alright, got our first hit. Don't see anything else in the pack. Oh, there's a rookie. So, got a rookie for the Redskins of Evan Royster. Evan Royster, rookie for the Redskins. And hit number 1 is a quad jersey of Christian Ponder, Kyle Rudolph, Alex Green, and Randall Cobb, numbered out of 150. So we got 2 teams on the card. You got the Vikings and the Packers. You got Ponder listed first, so that goes to the Vikings. Pretty nice. So again, it's Christian Ponder, Kyle Rudolph, Alex Green, and Randall Cobb, numbered out of 150. And that goes to the Vikings. So hit number 1's down. Parallel. So have a rookie X parallel of Razai Dowling, numbered out 250 for the Patriots. Razai Dowling for the Patriots, X parallel rookie out of 250. And another rookie for the Patriots, Marcus Cannon, not numbered, Marcus Cannon for the Patriots. Next pack, I think number 6. Got a rookie auto. Swap that rookie first. So we got hit number 2. First, we got a rookie for the Cowboys of Tyron Smith. Tyron Smith for the Cowboys. And the first auto goes to the Broncos. Quentin Carter, numbered out of 299. Quentin Carter for the Broncos, numbered out of 299. So, never heard of him, but it's an auto. Next pack. Still looking for 2 more hits. Have a Game Breakers insert, numbered out of 250, of Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. Hakeem Nicks for the Giants insert out of 250. And a rookie for the Bengals of Jay Finley. Jay Finley for the Bengals. Next pack. Insert rookie is probably going to be it. Have a insert for the Steelers of Hines Ward, NFL Nation, numbered out of 250. Hines Ward for the Steelers out of 250. And a rookie for the Redskins, Jarvis Jenkins. Jarvis Jenkins for the Redskins. And I think this is pack number 9, halfway through. Still need 2 more hits. Probably an auto and a jersey. Have a insert for the Patriots. Don't see a numbering on it though. Rob Gronkowski. Insert. Not numbered. Rob Gronkowski insert, not numbered. And a rookie for the Giants, Greg Jones. Greg Jones, rookie for the Giants. So, next pack, number 10. Decoy, rookie, T-Bone. Just have a rookie in this one for the Texans, J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt, rookie for the Texans. All right, next pack. Decoy. Just have a rookie for the Seahawks, Alan Bradford. Alan Bradford, rookie for the Seahawks. Next pack, another decoy. I forgot about this guy. John Clay, rookie for the Steelers. Thought he was actually going to be a decent backup, but I think he's out of the league already. John Clay, rookie for the Steelers. Got 6 packs left. Still need 2 more hits. See what this pack holds. Nope. No hit. Couple of rookies. Have a gold X parallel rookie for the Steelers of Cameron Hayward out of 100. Cameron Hayward for the Steelers out of 100. And a rookie for the Browns, Phil Taylor. Phil Taylor for the Browns. So we got 5 packs left. I'm going to put my money on this one being a hit. Bam! So we got hit number 3 coming up. First, we got a rookie for the Chiefs of Shane Bannon. Shane Bannon, rookie for the Chiefs. Hit number 3 goes to the Browns of Greg Little. Got a 2-color patch and then a ball. Numbered out of 50. Greg Little for the Browns. Patch and ball. Numbered out of 50. So that's 3 hits down. Still 1 left, 4 packs. Should have an auto left. Parallel rookie. The X parallel is Phillip Rivers for the Chargers out of 250. Phillip Rivers parallel out of 250. And a Jacquizz Rodgers rookie for the Falcons. Jacquizz Rodgers rookie for the Falcons. So, 3 packs left. 1 auto left. Let's do it. Not going to be this pack. Have a insert for the Texans, Mario Williams, numbered out of 100. Mario Williams, NFL Nation, out of 100. And a rookie for the Bucks, Mason Foster. Mason Foster, rookie for the Bucks. All right, 2 packs left. No auto here. Gotta be in the last one. Alright, got a parallel for the Seahawks, Sidney Rice, out of 250. Sidney Rice parallel out of 250. Rookie for the Packers, DJ Williams. DJ Williams for the Packers. Alright, last pack. Gotta have our last hit. Alright, and it's in here. First, got a rookie for the Panthers, Darvin Adams. Darvin Adams for the Panthers. And the last hit is an auto pullout for the Jets. Guess who? Bilal Powell. Numbered out of 303. Can't be a 2011 break without Powell. Bilal Powell pullout auto, numbered out of 303. Man, maybe we get some playing time. But that does it. Empty box.